The government has requested an alert at 9:30 am for an emergency in Canada. Russia has launched a nuke to Canada. The reasons are unknown. The provinces that will be detonated are gonna be on screen.
If you're in one of these provinces, please find a bunker or blast shelter. Evacuating won't work since you don't have a lot of time, only 30 minutes. People from the USA that might also be in danger will be on screen. This is because of the blast radius. If you're in the States, please evacuate. As that's it, this broadcast will keep playing every 5 minutes. Please keep a radio for updates about the scenario. Here is the missile countdown.
"12 seconds later.